Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 21st, Thursday morning, and second day of spring with temperatures here in McHenry at 13 degrees this morning. We just got the USDA export numbers out. The actuals are near the lower end of trade expectations. Corn total was 275.5, only 92 of that was old crop. Soybeans 341, about 108 of that was old crop, and wheat 577. We did have total there of trade was looking for anywhere from 550 to 1.2 million tons. So all of the numbers were at the lower end of trade expectations. It hasn't had too much of an impact on the market. Maybe seeing a little bit of weakness in the old crop corn and in the old crop soybeans because of the lack of enthusiasm there in export sales. As far as other news goes, kind of quiet here this morning. Still talking about yesterday's ethanol production number. We did see an improvement there from the previous week. The big surprise yesterday was the improvement in margins, where the increase there in profitability came in about 23 cents last week, and from that you expect greater crushing and production of ethanol. We are hearing some news that and some concerns that some of the ethanol plants leased out their tanks that they normally ship ethanol in, and that has become a concern that they don't have enough shipping and rail cars to move the product that they produce, even with a higher margin and higher profit margin. So those are things that the trade is talking about there. The technical aspect of the market, we think Dees corn still has resistance at the old support area, which was 570, and new crop soybeans have got good support at 1250. And as long as we hold that area, we've got some optimism yet in the new crop soybeans. Old crop corn and beans, some adjusting going on there this morning ahead of the USDA report next week, and we've had some sizable moves in the old crop, new crop spreads. A little profit taking there this morning as we see it. The economic news, Senate passed a budget bill yesterday late. Now it goes to the House, expected to meet bipartisan scrutiny there. So looking at that as a possible positive here to the market. We've also got the Cyprus situation, still a big concern for the potential down the road, as their banks now are going to be closed until Tuesday. They're still trying to negotiate with Russia and getting some support and some financing there, but that is still to be worked out, and still a potential problem as we move forward. The cash cattle trade yesterday, 125, 125 and a half in Nebraska is what we were hearing. Cutout values continue to weaken there. Choice down 77, select down 62. The concern in the cattle market is that we are extremely oversold in the futures contracts. Some traders late yesterday were talking about a possible reversal there, divergence that could give us an indication that we may have seen a low in the cattle market. We really can't confirm that at this time. I think we need more than just one day of turnaround, but this week's low should provide some technical support to the nearby cattle complex. In the pork, cutout values there down 168. The problems and delays in marketing with the winter storms that have gone through the upper Midwest here, Iowa, Nebraska, and Minnesota, has caused some backup in hogs. Hopefully we can get through that and get them cleaned up here in the next week or so, which could give us some support again and clean up some of the product that we've got around. So the biggest problem in the meat complex is the product right now. we've got to see some movement there and some cleanup in inventories before we can truly get that market to turn around. So a lot of things going on here while we patiently wait for the USDA report next week. So stay in touch with Allendale's research, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Also, remind everybody that we have our monthly Allendale Ag Leaders webinar coming up next Tuesday, the 26th. Don't forget to sign up for that. Should be some very good discussion there on the upcoming USDA reports. So you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.